Upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today we're comparing two fantastic steam mops, the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop and the Shark Steam and Scrub all-in-one. One promises a budget-friendly clean, while the other offers a premium scrubbing experience. Let's see which one is right for you. When it comes to price, the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop is a steal at just $49, making it a great choice for budget-conscious shoppers. Reviewers appreciate its affordability and effectiveness, especially those who need a lightweight option for cleaning their wood floors. In contrast, the Shark Steam and Scrub comes in at $139. While it's on the pricier side, many users feel that its scrubbing power and versatility justify the expense. Overall, if saving money is your priority, BLACK+DECKER takes this round. Now, let's talk cleaning power. The BLACK+DECKER heats up in just 30 seconds and does a commendable job on sealed surfaces. But some reviewers mention that it may struggle with tougher stains, especially on larger areas. On the other hand, the Shark boasts over 150 scrubs per minute, making it a powerhouse for tough cleaning jobs. Users rave about its ability to tackle dirt and grime efficiently, especially on tile floors. If you have stubborn stains, Shark's scrubbing action is hard to beat. Feature-wise, both mops have their strengths. The BLACK+DECKER has a 12-feet cord and a swivel head for easy maneuvering, which many users appreciate, although some have pointed out that the cord length can be a hassle. Conversely, the Shark features 3 steam modes and LED headlights, allowing for a customized clean and better visibility of messes. Reviewers love the automatic scrubbing feature, making cleaning even less labor-intensive. In terms of features, Shark clearly shines brighter. Lastly, let's consider design. The BLACK+DECKER has a straightforward and functional design, ideal for those who want simplicity in their cleaning routine. However, some users noted that it has some design flaws, such as a short cord and non-removable water tank. The Shark, on the other hand, boasts a sleek design with 19 feet of power cord and swivel steering. Users find it easy to navigate, making it great for cleaning tight spaces. For those looking for a mop that's not only effective but also stylish, Shark wins this round. In summary, the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop is praised for its affordability and ease of use, particularly for those with smaller spaces or less intensive cleaning needs. However, its short cord and potential durability issues have been noted. On the other hand, the Shark Steam and Scrub is celebrated for its powerful scrubbing capabilities and innovative features, making it ideal for tougher cleaning tasks, though its higher price point may deter some buyers. Ultimately, both products have their unique strengths, catering to different cleaning preferences. So which steam mop is the champion of your cleaning routine? If you prefer a budget-friendly option, the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop is your best bet. But if you're willing to invest in a premium product, the Shark Steam and Scrub is a fantastic choice. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more comparisons, and let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose and why. Check out the product links in the description below. Until next time, keep buying smart.